This may look like a peanut to you. It's made because your hands never stop. They're your most trusted tool. And they are holding more tension than you think. Tension builds up. It spreads quietly through your body and becomes a stress in your mind. Meet PnutRoll, the peanut-sized massage roller. Relieve tension, recharge your focus, or simply fidget the stress away, anytime, anywhere. Whether you have stiff fingers, sore wrists, or just need a quick break, a simple roll helps you relax. Our backers say they just can't stop rolling. So PnutRoll is back with more sensation, more ways to roll, new materials, and even more joy. A satisfying daily companion that's always with you and ready to roll. Challenge your senses with the oddly satisfying spiky rolls. Switch to a more soothing feel in seconds. From peanut size to full body relief, like a mini massage therapist on the go. Ease tension and stiffness in your neck, shoulders, and anywhere else your body needs attention. Made from premium, skin-friendly, easy-to-clean materials. No plastic. Choose your favorite PnutRoll versions. Back our project today and roll with us.